What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm out driving around today on a Thursday, just working, doing a bunch of office work today, but I'm gonna go check on another job site. I'm doing a pretty big in-law addition here in Garden City, just basically, well, technically it's Boise, but it's got a Garden City zip code and then it impacts Eagle, so it's kind of a confusing plot line over here. But we're gonna go check this site out. My framers are getting wrapped up, just finishing up some stairs. It's a pretty sweet pad. So we did kind of like a 5-foot bump out on the existing to extend their master bedroom and add a bathroom and a walk-in shower for them. And then upstairs we extended their kitchen 5 feet. And then the rest of it, which is about 830 square feet, is an in-law addition. So that's just a standard one person, has a living room, kitchen, 1 bath, big bedroom, good closet space. So I'm gonna go walk through that. We're just kind of in the raw stages of construction and show you what that looks like. My plumber might still be there, my framers are there. So, and then on top of the in-law unit is a huge party deck, basically. So basically when you step out of their kitchen, it's going to be a big upstairs exterior deck with a roof cover over it. I'll show you guys what that looks like, and yeah, enjoy the walkthrough. How's it going?
Taking pictures.
Video.